In this video, I will show you how you can split first and last names from each other in Excel using formulas, and then I will show you also an alternative that lets you do the same using a free AI spreadsheet tool that doesn't require you to use any complex formulas, but you could still do everything you do in Excel and more. So with that being said, let's just get into it. So as you can see here, I'm here in my Notion workspace, and now I'm going to copy this formula and go to Excel, paste this here in, and then drag and drop down this list of my names, and then I get here all these first names. So what this formula basically does, it locates the first space character and then extracts everything left to it. So it's pretty simple. And now I'm going to do the same for this last name formula. Go back to Excel, paste this here in, and then drag and drop again. And as you can see here, it got me the first and last name. So it's pretty simple, but this has two limitations. So first limitation, to locate the middle name, if you have also middle names in your spreadsheet, you would need a third formula, which is way more complex. So that's why I didn't include this here in this video. And also, if you have, for example, 5,000 names, it will take you a lot of time drag and dropping this list. So that's why I'm now going to show you Datablist, which is a free AI spreadsheet tool that lets you do everything you do in Excel and more, just using AI instead of formulas. So I'm now going to open Datablist, and it will take me into my collection where I have already some names uploaded. So I have here full names with first, middle, and last names. Now I'm going to click here on Enrich and go into this AI panel. So we have here a lot of AI features, as you can see. And then I click here on Name Parser and map the input property. So I tell it basically my full name is in this column, and then click here on Continue to Outputs configuration. And now I will get the first name, the middle name, the last name. It will also give me the gender of the person, so the gender of the name. And then if I would have now titles in my column, I would also get them, but I don't have any, so I will just leave it open. And I also can get the country where the name is most used in. So I will just leave it also open, and then I click here on Instant Run enrichment on all items, and this will take 2 seconds. So it was pretty fast, as you can see. So and now I click here on Close, and then I have here all the first names, middle names, last names, and genders. So as you can see, it was pretty fast, and the best thing, it's completely free. So you can go on datablist.com, try it, and be much more effective than by using Excel. So with that being said, thank you for watching so far. If you have any questions about Datablist, leave me a comment below and I will reply to your questions or even do an entire video answering them. So with that being said, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.